10 Life Lessons from Buddha. 1. Who looks inside, awakens. It means that the solution to the problems in your lives is within you. The mistake that we humans make is to keep searching for answers in the outside world, whereas the answer resides inside us. If we ask our own self, we will promise to be awakened to a better life. 2. Let it go, and it will be yours forever. We lose only what we cling to. The grace is to let go. If it comes back, it is yours. If it does not, then it never was. 3. No one can walk your path for you. These lines teach us to be self-reliant. They tell us that nobody in our life can walk in our shoes. Our battles, our insecurities, our struggles have to be resolved by ourselves. True beauty of life is experienced in independence. 4. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Such is the splendor of sharing happiness and joy. It always multiplies if you involve more people in your delight. 5. Be kind to all. The reason why this is advocated by Buddha is because kindness is a religion, and no act of kindness has ever been wasted. Resolve to be tender with the young, compassionate with the aged, sympathetic with the striving, and tolerant with the weak and wrong. Sometime in your life, you will have been all of these. 6. As you think, so shall you be. All that we are is all that we have thought. All that we speak is all that we have imagined. If we speak of a good thought, bliss follows us. Thoughts are powerful and empowering. So, one must think wisely. 7. Let go of fear. The whole secret of existence is to have no fear. Never fear what will become of you, depend on no one. 8. Control your mind, or it will control you. It's all in the mind. To be happy, to be peaceful, and to relish contentment, one must first discipline his mind. 9. Nobody is more deserving of your love than you yourself. You can search throughout the entire universe for someone who is more deserving of your love and affection than you are yourself, and that person is not to be found anywhere. You, yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. 10. Love heals everything. The eternal rule for healing is true love. There is no power superior than love. It is the greatest healer.